Hi everyone, this is Tony from iFormBuilder, and today I'm really excited to show off our latest release, iForm 8.0, which will be launching tomorrow on the App Store. This release is all about performance, and we want to take some time to show you what we've done, and hope that you enjoy it. Let's jump right in. I have two devices actually lined up here side by side, and I want to show you what our existing application looks like under a number of records which are being saved locally on the device. So both of these devices have the same database, same username. There are 20,000 lookup records and about 5,000 records which have been created locally on the device. And just to show you that both of these are running 7.7.0, which is our latest release on the App Store. And the device on the left-hand side here is a 5S, and the device on the right is a 6. So you have a little better performance out of the hardware on the 6, but you're going to see why we're using two separate devices for comparison. With the same app code 7.7.0, we're going to do just a quick baseline test, and you can see as I scroll, it's a little choppy. It's not as smooth as it should be, and we're going to go ahead and jump into this form called parent. You can see I have a number of records here. They all have about 530 or so children attached to them, and this is the scenario where we found performance was really starting to degrade, especially as records were building up on the device. So let's go ahead and jump in and see how long it takes to load this view. About equal. And from here we're going to jump into the subform view. So you can see I'm touching these elements around the same time just to try to give you an idea of how well the hardware is performing, and you can see the 6 finishes much faster than the 5 does. It takes quite a bit of time to get through that. Let's go ahead and create a new record. We see that's pretty quick. Never had any real issues there. But when we press done, this is another pain point because we have to load this record view again. With all these 530 some odd records, you can see the 6 is much faster to load than this 5S is on the left hand side. Scrolling is pretty good, about equal there. So it's a good baseline. You can see that there's a couple points where things really start to slow down in the field. Time is money, so we tried to solve this particular problem within this release. Now that we've got a good baseline, what we're going to do is actually I am going to switch over to the latest version that we'll be releasing tomorrow. This is 8.0. These same upgrades are also going to be available on Android, so keep your eyes peeled on the Google Play Store as well. All right. Let's go back to the same starting points that we were on before, and I'll jump in here and just take a look at, I have this, have the same set of forms. What you'll notice though is that performance, scrolling performance is much better now on the 5, and again, the 5S is the one running the latest software upgrade. The 6 on the right hand side is still running the current version 7.7.0. Let's go ahead and compare the record view performance. This screen loads about same speed. Again, same record set, so we're doing apples to apples, but when I touch on this, you're going to see, again, the 6 is faster. We're not really getting into the bulk of the query, which slows everything down, but this next tap where we go to load the subform record view, you're going to see that the 5S actually finishes ahead of the 6, whereas before it was significantly behind. So older hardware is now performing better than newer hardware due to the software upgrades that we've done. Another really cool thing for folks that are creating lots of subform records in the field is this new reference ID, and what will happen is when I press done, you're going to see the 5S actually creates the record, saves it, and then reloads the subform record again without me having to press plus, whereas on the right hand side with the 6, with the older software, you can see if I wanted to create a new record, I still need to tap plus to get back to the screen. So this is a reference ID. We'll document it in our knowledge base forums, but ultimately this is all around performance, trying to help the folks in the field do what they do best faster. So anyway, this is launching tomorrow, the 29th of May, and we hope you enjoy these updates, and we look forward to your feedback. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on the help desk or our chat. Thanks, and have a great day.